How are you good people? How are you doing? Muriega no murathi na mbere na guthoma Gikuyu kana urathi atia? Ngioka ukiri o mwega o haria uri na no urathi na mbere na gwithoma Gikuyu na kwiruta gukiaria ona makiria mothe gukimenya maria urakirwo hingo tukwaria ruthiumi ruru rwitu twendete. Ngiri okuo wega na Jehova no amenyereire na ngĩhoka nawe nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũkũmenyerera. Ndirĩ na maũndũ maingĩ ma kuga no kũmũthomithia marĩtwa ma nyamũ, marĩtwa ma nyamũ. And we are going to start with the first one. Cow, cow, ng'ombe, ng'ombe. Goat, mbũri, mbũri. Cat, nyau, nyau, nyau. Hen, ngũkũ, ngũkũ. Rat, bear, bear. Cockroach, nyenje, nyenje. Termite, mũthũa, mũthũa. Elephant, njogu, njogu. I hope you are getting the names. Let's go on. Hyena, hiti, hiti. Cheetah, gari, gari, gari. Monkey, monkey. Nogo, nogo. Zebra, wambui mĩcore, wambui mĩcore. Camel, ngamĩra, ngamĩra, ngamĩra. Donkey, fuda or nguda, fuda. Or, do you want to finish for me the other one? Digiri, digiri. Horse, horse. Barathi, barathi, barathi. Bird, nyoni, nyoni. Are those enough for you? I think the rest, the other names, I'll answer those who are going to ask in the comment section. Kindly make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you like and you comment and keep requesting the resources that you want to have. And if you want personalized classes, I'm still available. You can contact me on +254 718 317 877 or email me at martinkarali@gmail.com. So I wish you all the best as you continue learning Gikuyu. Bye.